You were born to be rich. You were born to live in abundance. But somewhere along the way, you were lied to. They told you money is evil. They told you to go to school, get a job, and work until you're 65. And now, you're stuck in the same cycle, working hard but never getting ahead. Most people stay broke because they have a broke mindset. They believe money is hard to get. They think rich people are lucky. They blame the economy, their boss, or their parents for their financial struggles. But here's the truth: wealth starts in your mind. The average person trades time for money. They work 40, 50, 60 hours a week just to survive. But the rich? They don't work for money, they make money work for them. Warren Buffett didn't get rich from a salary. Elon Musk didn't build Tesla by clocking in 9 to 5. They mastered the game of money. And you can too. So law number 1: money flows to value. If you want more money, you must provide more value. Solve problems, build skills, and serve others at the highest level. Law number 2: assets versus liabilities. Rich people buy assets, things that make them money. Poor people buy liabilities, things that take money out of their pocket. Law number 3: compound growth. The richest people in the world don't get rich overnight. They invest, reinvest, and let their money grow exponentially. You don't need money to start. You need knowledge and action. Here's how to start today. 1. Learn a high-income skill: copywriting, sales, coding, investing. 2. Invest before you spend. Pay yourself first, even if it's just $10. 3. Multiple streams of income. Don't rely on one paycheck. 4. Surround yourself with winners. Your network equals your net worth. If you're serious about changing your life, here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, do these 3 things. 1. Read 10 pages of a wealth-building book every day. 2. Save or invest $5 to $50 daily, no matter what. 3. Take one action toward a new income stream. If you do this, your life will change. The money will come. The opportunities will come. But only if you start now. 1 year from today, you could be in the exact same place. Or you could be on your way to financial freedom. The choice is yours. The time is now. Get up. Get to work. And go claim the life you deserve.